Why I don't kick a runaway fox. Once upon a time there lived Master Fox. Master Fox was a cunning brat of an animal. He was so cunning that even Mr. Fox and Mrs. Fox thought that their son would outwit them one day. One day Master Fox went for a walk in the thick jungle. Without his knowledge, he strayed into a remote corner of the animal kingdom where strange animals lived. At once he stood still on seeing a 4-footed big animal with a bushy tail. Although he was cunning, Master Fox did not have the courage to go up to the strange animal and ask him who he was. So he ran back in search of his bosom friend, Master Wolf. The latter did not have the brains, but he was a brave animal of the animal kingdom. "Hurry up! There's a strange animal right over there," said Master Fox, pointing a finger at the location where he found the newcomer. "It seems to be a cunning animal," said Master Wolf on seeing the stranger. "How dare you say that? I'm the most cunning fellow among the young ones. There's no one to beat my father, who is the most cunning one in the animal kingdom." Okay. I'm not saying that you're not a cunning one, but there can be more cunning animals than Mr. Fox, said Master Wolf. "Please tell me something more about this strange animal," pleaded Master Fox. "Well, he is strong and well-built. I have a feeling that he can run fast," said Master Wolf. "Can we have him for our dinner?" asked Master Fox. "Don't be silly. If we try to kill him, he will beat us to a jelly," said Master Wolf. While talking, they ran towards the place where the strange animal was found. On seeing Master Fox and Master Wolf, the strange animal looked up and kicked up his heels. Master Fox got frightened. Master Wolf got frightened. After some time, Master Fox summoned enough courage and went towards the stranger and addressed him in a humble way. "Your Majesty, we are 2 innocent animals who wish to know your name." "Ha, ha! What's in a name? My parents haven't given me a name. I did not attend the forest school, run by Mr. Elephant, so I grew up the way I wanted," said the stranger. On hearing these words, Master Wolf walked forward with confidence and said, "I went to the school in the kingdom." So saying, Master Wolf walked round the stranger with a view to knowing him better. "Brother, you are an uneducated fellow. Just tell me what you can do," asked Master Wolf. "I know only one thing," said the stranger, and kicked Master Wolf. Master Wolf was thrown into a thicket. In the meantime, Master Fox ran home as if the devil himself were chasing him. But the stranger remained calm. He did not want to kick a runaway fox. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.